In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get Office 365 with 1TB OneDrive storage. We'll walk through the process directly from the OneDrive website, so you can upgrade with confidence and know exactly what to expect. Start by opening your web browser and going to onedrive.live.com. If you're not already signed in, use your Microsoft account to access your OneDrive homepage. This is the dashboard where your files live and where storage upgrades are managed. Once you're on the OneDrive home screen, look for the Buy Storage option. You'll often find a link in the left-hand sidebar alongside your folders and storage indicator. Depending on your layout, you may also see a Buy Storage or Upgrade button in the upper right area of the page. The wording can vary slightly, but both options take you to the same place, the Storage and Plan Selection screen. Click Get More Storage. This opens the page where Microsoft lists available plans. Here's where you want it to focus on the offer that includes 1 terabyte of OneDrive storage. That 1 TB plan typically comes with Office 365, which means you get the full suite of premium Office apps like Word, Excel, and PowerPoint, along with added OneDrive features. Take a moment to read the plan details so you're comfortable with what's included, the billing frequency, and the price in your region. When you found the 1 TB plan that fits your needs, click Buy Now. Before you proceed, double-check whether the plan is monthly or annual, and make sure the account you're signed into is the one you want to upgrade. This helps avoid activating the subscription on the wrong profile. Next, enter your payment method. You'll be prompted to add or select a valid payment option and confirm your billing information. Ensure your address and currency match your location, and review any taxes or fees shown at checkout. If you already have a payment method saved, you can select it and continue. Keep your information accurate and secure, and only enter details on the official Microsoft pages. After that, click Next and follow the on-screen procedure until the purchase is complete. You may see a brief summary page, terms and conditions, and a final confirmation button. Once confirmed, Microsoft will process your order and apply the upgrade to your account. You should receive a confirmation message, and shortly after, your OneDrive storage will reflect the 1 TB capacity, with your Office 365 subscription active and ready to use. That's it. Quick, clear, and done entirely from your OneDrive home. Enjoy your expanded storage and the full power of Office 365.